And here it is. This is, hey guys, welcome to another episode of Chiviking Universe this time. And I have a little project that I wanted to share with you guys. Is the sink faucet. I originally had a Moen sink faucet. I have it right here. After 8 years, it just stopped working yesterday. I wanted to get me something more stylish this time. I didn't record the whole installation because we were out of water and I would have taken a little more time. But it's so easy, guys, that I'm just gonna show you what I did, and perhaps you'll find this interesting. Okay, so let's see. Let me show you. So well, guys, the way this faucet works is dirty here. The way it works is this handle needs to be in this way, and then you will activate or deactivate the sensor like so, however way you need it to work. This is has good flow. I love the water pressure. I love how you can move it around, and this is one of the latest, more stylish, trendy faucets that are going on. And then I have here in Amazon, this is an oval fan and Touchless kitchen faucet. This is the activations, and this I paid for this. How much did I pay? $139. So they're going for $139. They had the black. Actually, I'm not sure if the touchless sensor has the. Oh yes. So with the touchless sensor, you can find that in black, and this is the one I purchased. So I believe you can also see in black. Yeah. So they have it in black. You can see there. It's really pretty. And I actually love the way this works. So there you have it. So all that you need is a flashlight, an adjustable wrench. I use this also, this wrench here, and a screwdriver, Phillips tip screwdriver. It's important that you remember to bring a bucket and also bring a towel for when you unscrew the water hose, you actually don't spill any water everywhere. So I'm going to quickly show you what I did. This is so easy that it sounds like it's silly, but for the purpose of this particular faucet, I'm going to show you what you are going to encounter if you like it enough that you want to purchase it. Okay, let's see. Let's do this. Hey, one thing that I want to share with you is this dishwasher sink combo, small dishwasher. This is Faucet brand. It's been a life-saving tool for me. I made a video, I just have to edit it so I can show you guys. This is awesome. I was a bit scared about having a smaller sink to do because I do a lot of dishes, but actually this helps. You can't put a lot of dishes here, but just for the everyday 3 persons that will live here in this house, it's just amazing. It's a big help. So look at this, and I have, like I said, footage clips I recorded that I need to edit and show you guys how the installation went for this one. This was a bit of work, but well, let's get to what we were doing. So I have the bucket. This is the bucket that I had some towels on, and so in here, this is like spider web. under the sink, you guys. So this was so easy. I have my hot water here, so I had to unscrew the previous one, the existing Moen faucet, sink faucet. I unscrew it, and so the first thing that you have to do is just remove the old one, unscrew everything. And I have, right here is my cold water. So we close all the valve. Of course, the very first thing that I did was to close all the valve. Then I started removing all the hoses. In this case was these two. I removed the old one, screw it up here. This is a bit challenging because, let's see, because of situation we have up here, very tight space, but I was able to do it fine with the flashlight. Once that was done, I put the new one. So all you have to do is screw. This is some sort of water flow controller. I don't know how it's called, this little box, but basically you plug in, you hook up your hot and your cold water hoses, then you click in, this comes separate, you click in this hose up here. I'm not sure how it's called, but you just plug it in, and then the hose that comes from the sprayer, which is this one, this is the hose that comes from the sprayer, that will click into here. See this red wire, click into here, the bottom section of this white controller, something for, I don't know how it does it, that works with the touchless. I'm not an engineer, but basically that's where it goes. Then have to install my weight right here. Okay, remove the bucket. So I have the weight for the hose back here. See, it's I have so much stuff. So we did that, and then I got some 4 AA batteries that goes in here. That's to power the valve and all the controllers. And this one I put up here, and I just leave it there. Fine. So that was pretty much what I did. Very easy. It was easy to screw up there, and it comes with 2 screws that you have to tighten, so you can make sure that your faucet is tight in place up here. And basically I'm extremely happy with it so far. So that's how it looks. Put it there, you can put it here. I love it. guys, well, this is it. This is the end of the video. I just wanted to share with you my experience with the faucet, this new faucet. I think it's really nice and stylish. So if you're a girl, I encourage you to do it. It's very simple. You just have to have patience, and you got this. You can do this. If you're a guy, maybe you can do this for your wife and your girlfriend. You can score some points there. I think she's probably gonna love it. And or for yourself, I don't know. I do recommend that. The installation was easy. At this point, I can't talk to you about durability since I just installed it. But if you leave me a comment asking in a week, in 2 weeks, a few months from now, want to ask me if it's working, how it's going with this, I'll be happy to answer your comments. Okay, right? So this is it. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye.